Jordynne Grace receives a last chance rematch versus Knockouts World Champion Deonna Purrazzo at Under Siege. In the main event of this year's Rebellion, Deonna Purrazzo and Jordynne Grace tore the house down to determine who would capture the vacant Knockouts World title. After a grueling back and forth contest, Purrazzo reigned supreme to usher in the new age of the virtuosa. But less than 2 weeks later on Impact, Purrazzo found herself on the receiving end of a beatdown from the reigning Knockouts World Tag Team Champions, the Coven. That was until Jordynne Grace came to her aid and helped Purrazzo clear the ring of her adversaries. After a tremendous show of respect between the two rivals, Grace made it apparent that she wanted another shot at the gold. We now know that management has granted her the rematch at Under Siege, but this time the stakes are higher than ever. If Grace loses, she will no longer be eligible for another Knockouts World title opportunity as long as Purrazzo is champion. The stars of Impact Wrestling will be Under Siege live May the 26th from the Western Fair District Agriplex in London, Ontario, streaming on Impact Plus, YouTube for Impact Ultimate Insiders and Fight. Tickets are on sale now at Eventbrite.